Okay, so here, look. These are 4 different quartz. Allegedly. Can you spot the imposter? Yeah, it's like a game of Among Us. Find the imposter. It's looking a little suspect there. But this is the bullshit that's infiltrating the metaphysical store that makes other people not believe in magic and think it's just a big fucking joke. This pretty and shiny bullshit that doesn't do anything. The energy that comes from a crystal, you can feel it if you're in tune to it. It's something that has to be practiced through your spirituality or your whatever craft you want to call it. But glass is just glass. It's lifeless, man-made. You can't take that from Mother Nature. Her creation, her divine creation puts the life into it. That touch of magic. It's missing when it's man-made. Man needs to stop playing God. And just stop trying to imitate everything just to make a buck, because this is just downright insulting and it's being perpetuated. It's kind of like for the tourists, you know. It's sort of makes me think of like cheap crap, like rubbish that tourists buy when they visit somewhere. It's just, oh yeah, oh look, it's a spiritual store, like let me get a souvenir and buy some shiny junk that'll just sit somewhere. Which maybe that's what it was for. I don't know. That's my 2 cents on that. Stop making rubbish. Stop buying rubbish. Don't support those people that make bullshit. And really, honestly, if you have a connection, you feel it. It doesn't even, the names of these crystals, it doesn't even matter. None of that matters. If you really find the one that calls to you for a purpose, you feel it. What makes it special is its uniqueness. That individual rock, mineral, crystal, whatever it might be. You feel it if you're connected into nature, that spiritualism, that vibration. It comes through you. You don't go and pick a piece of something and own it. You work together in harmony.